Here are some deals not to miss. 50% off discount of refurbished factory sample tubs, possibly receive tax credit up to $5,000 and finance options as low as $97. You know, we're all living longer and face age-related pain and mobility issues. This fact means home accessibility is critical to stay out of a nursing home, live life to the fullest, and get the greatest home appreciation. George Bentley, owner of Bentley Baths, is passionate about helping others, so much so he is a creator of the Gift of Independence, an amazing program that allows you to save up to 50% on a walk-in therapy tub. George spreads his message in his new book and popular radio show, Being Young at Any Age. I sat down with George to learn more. Okay, we're going to start with some very important things, the two biggest challenges that we all face inside our home. So let's start with the first.
Well, I call it denial of the fact that our homes really aren't safe, and we're not safe in our homes. If you think about it, the home that you're living in was designed with the idea that we would die by the time we're 65 years old. And including myself, my father, most of us don't want to admit that we're at risk of hurting ourselves, and so we hesitate to do something. We certainly don't want to impose on people, so that's why being proactive is so important.
Second biggest challenge.
Well, I call it financial denial.
Yes.
Most people find it hard to really acknowledge the fact they can't afford to do this. And it's very rare when somebody can't afford to do it, but we think, oh, this is too expensive, whatever. And if you're in that mindset, let me tell you, if you can't afford to make your home safe, then you absolutely positively will not be able to afford the financial implication of an avoidable injury or illness. That can be financially devastating to us.
And you really care, and you have the passion, and you have details about Gift of Independence. What is this?
This is exciting, okay? It's that time of the year, and you know, my mom passed because we couldn't make her safe, and I started the program we call the Gift of Independence about 5 years ago. And we've got these appliances, these tubs that they're either scratch and dents, they're refurbished, they may be factory samples, and I can't sell them at retail pricing. So between now and the end of the year, if people will call in, we're going to blow these out at 50% discounting.
Wow.
50% discounting on these tubs. It's really amazing. And you can come down, take a look at them. I'll show you what we got. But when they're gone, they're gone. Right now, we've got quite a few to pick from.
And then not only that, but awesome financing options.
Sure, we can finance an entire project for as little as $97 a month. It doesn't have to be expensive.
And we have a few seconds left here. Why the passion?
Well, because people need to understand that only I can make myself safe. Only I can protect my family. Only I can be proactive to do things that are going to help me be vibrant and safe in my own home. And if I really do care for myself and my family and my loved ones, that's the most important thing we can do.
Is there any government type of help with your baths?
Well, I used to have to say no, but not anymore.
Nice.
The government realizes how important this is. Even if you make up to $120,000 a year, we can show you how the government will give you a $5,000 tax credit. And if you're low income and having problems financially, we can show you how the government will give you up to $14,000 to make your home safe. It's really that important.
And
when's the last time you heard of the government giving money away?
Well, that's why you got to take advantage of this, I'm telling you. And thank you so much for your passion. I've known George for a long time, and you truly speak from your heart, so we appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, stay in your home as long as possible. Save thousands of dollars by making your home more accessible. Make changes before something tragic happens. And now's the time to act during Bentley Baths' Gift of Independence sale now until the end of 2018. Stop by and take a look at many refurbished or factory sample tubs. 50% off retail, folks. George offers very creative financing options, some as low as $97 a month. Here's the number, 303-388-8887. Also keep in mind, Medicaid could help, and you could receive a tax credit to $5,000. Bentley Baths paid for today's segment. Keep it here.